CTDS is a centralized tunnel dosing solution specifically configured for the industrial hygiene market, ensuring reliable and precise chemical dosing. Thanks to its opportunity for operational stability, the CTDS dosing solution can easily adapt to increased workload or market demands and help laundry facilities to grow rapidly. Committed to helping businesses grow, CTDS offers a wide range of opportunities, like an incredibly large number of input boards and sensors per access point, enabling a system's expansion for handling the growing amount of work without hurting the existing operations. The major advantage of the dosing solution is its two-way validation technology for measuring the consumed amount of chemical in the detergent container, useful in any industrial market where precise fluid pumping has the highest priority. First, a level sensor with wireless technology is used to easily receive real-time information regarding the chemical levels in all containers. Second, the values obtained are compared with additional information about the consumption levels generated from the flow meter for a certain period of time. So, the dosing solution relies on two independent data sources to make sure the dosing process goes properly anytime. Moreover, the transparency of the whole washing process could be improved for providing a high-quality service. With CM2W IoT solution, every laundry facility benefits from a wireless hardware network. Imagine a tunnel washing machine with multiple modules. You can add a temperature sensor to a single module, but also to all desired modules completely wireless to monitor the temperature levels during the washing cycle and ensure precise dosing by reaching a certain temperature. Also, a pH sensor could be added to each tunnel module as well for making accurate water measurements and monitoring the amount of alkalinity and acidity in water and other fluids. Even more, conductivity sensors could be added as well for measuring the concentration of the detergent dosed and how well the chemicals were rinsed from the laundry during the washing cycle. CTDS is an environmentally friendly dosing solution that reduces rewash rates, water, and energy consumption. Using adaptive dosing technology and adjusting the right amount of chemicals for each wash, it reduces the water and the electricity consumption for optimal efficiency and effectiveness of the washing process. Calculating the added value of the dosing system for each party affected by its application, all distributors avoid the possibility of underdoses. The laundry facilities benefit from consistent and reliable dosing for optimal washing performance. For the end clients, it will increase its production capacity by reaching a consistently high washing quality to lower operating costs. Another superior benefit is the opportunity for wireless hardware installation of all hygiene appliances in the facility. The radio frequency connectivity modules communicate with each other via a wireless connection, so no cable installation is required. To be more specific, giving up cables reduces the installation time by 30% on average, and prevents cable failures due to wrong selection, mechanical failures, or cable overheating, which leads to a decrease in productivity. Furthermore, CTDS provides a unique advantage related to the programming settings called Schematic Settings. Each user operating with the program interface has the ability to visually configure programming settings and modify programs. All system components are visually displayed for easier perception and use of information. Also, by configuring schematic settings, individual programming options could be laid out more quickly and accurately. Considering the technical specifications of the dosing solution, the CTDS system is configurable for up to 15 wash extractors and 1 tunnel, with a wide range of capabilities ranging depending on the pump. CTDS could be adjusted for working on a sequential, parallel, or shared dosing mode. Also, 2 dosing modes can work simultaneously, which provides an adaptive dosing solution, ensuring the highest efficiency of laundry operations. Overviewing some additional benefits of the tunnel dosing solution, CTDS offers an automatic self-valve check in order to prevent chemical mixing, a single and dual flow meter mode, plus a hold mode that provides the opportunity to pause a washing program while waiting for chemicals. Additionally, the dosing solution is equipped with an air flush ensuring air transport for all chemicals and improved by a low-level alarm to provide real-time visibility of the remaining amount of chemicals. An auto-select formula mode could be applied as well. It determines a specific calculation formula, so the chemicals can be dosed according to a preset amount. Further beneficial features of the CTDS controller include 24/7 connectivity to the CM2W platform, a remote configuration of the application program with real-time tech support, and a unique progress notification filter, PNF, which is a system for filtering and addressing important notifications to the responsible people and ensuring faster reaction time. Finally, yet importantly, an ozone generator could be attached to the dosing solution and facility dashboards could be installed for delivering real-time dynamic data, guiding the facility operations and avoiding process failures.